Assalamu alaikum students. In this video I am going to solve question number 8 of exercise 1b. Given that the mass in grams of a sphere is directly proportional to the cube of its radius r in centimeter, copy and complete the table. This is the symbol for mass, that is m, and mass is given in gram here, and this is the symbol for radius here, r, and radius is given in centimeters here. So we have to complete the table by using an equation. In solution of question number 8 exercise 1b, first we have to copy the table. Then according to question, m is directly proportional to r cube. This is equation 1 here. So put r equals to 1.5 and put r equals to 1.5 and m equals to 6.75 in equation 1. We get 6.75 equals to k and 1.5 cube. For finding k, 6.75 equals to k. Cube of 1.5 is 3.375. We have to move this 3.375 on the other hand side of equals to for finding k. So k equals to 6.75 equals to 3.375. I flip these two values. So by calculating k equals to, put k equals to 2 in equation 1, we get m equals to 2r cube here. So this is our equation that we are going to use for calculation. For our first value, r equals to 0.2, and we have to find the value of m here. M equals to 2 r cube means 0.2 cube. So m equals to 2 multiplied by 0.008. By when we multiply 2 with 0.008, we get m equals to 0.016 here. I am going to find here when m equals to 11.664, what is the value of r. Using the same equation, m equals to 2r cube, I am putting the value of m this time 11.664 here, and we have to find the value of r cube. So we have to move this 2 on the other hand side. 11.664 divided by 2 equals to r cube. So by dividing 11.664 divided by 2, we get r cube here 5.832. For removing this cube on the r, we have to take cube on both sides, cube root of on both sides, take cube root on both sides. So cube root of r cube here equals to cube root of 5.832. This cube root and this cube will cancel each other, and we have to find the value of cube root of 5.832 by using calculator. We get r equals to 1.8. When the value of r equals to 0.2, m equals to 0.016, and when the value of m is 11.664, r is calculated as 1.8. Now in this question, I am also leaving these two values on you, so you have to calculate these two values and have to complete this table. This is your homework.